In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work offline with Microsoft Lists, no internet connection. First, start in your preferred modern web browser and open Microsoft Lists. Sign into your Microsoft 365 account and navigate to the list or lists you want to use on the go. Opening the exact list you'll rely on later helps the app prepare your data for offline use, so give it a moment to fully load your views and items. Next, look at the right side of your browser's address bar for the install icon. In browsers like Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome, you'll see a small computer with a plus or an install indicator. Click that icon and confirm the prompt to install Microsoft Lists as an app. If you don't see the icon, you can use the browser's app menu and choose Install or Install this site as an app. Installing creates a dedicated window for lists that behaves like a desktop application, and you can choose to pin it to your taskbar or start menu for quick access. Once installed, the app begins syncing your list data in the background to a secure local database. This is handled by Microsoft's Sync engine, designed to keep your lists available and up to date even without a connection. For best results, open the installed app and let it sit for a minute with your key lists visible so the initial sync can complete. Think of this as priming the pump. After the first sync, ongoing updates happen quietly while you work. Now you're ready to go offline. Disconnect from the internet and open the installed Microsoft Lists app. You can view your lists, edit existing items, and create new ones just like you would online. Your changes are saved locally as you go. If a column or attachment depends on online content, you may see placeholders until you reconnect, but your edits and new items will still be captured. When your device reconnects to the internet, the Microsoft Nucleus Sync engine automatically uploads everything you changed while offline to the cloud. You don't need to press a special button. Just keep working. If someone else edited the same item at the same time, you may be prompted to review a conflict so you can keep the correct version. Otherwise, your updates will appear in Microsoft Lists across your devices and for your team. That's it. Install the app from your browser, let it sync, work confidently without a connection, and let the automatic sync handle the rest. Thanks for watching and happy listing, online or off.